G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, what am I doing? I'm in the Pajero, going to Mark's workshop, and I'm going to start unbolting the engine out of the one tonner. So yeah, go through the process: radiator hoses, engine mount, and there's a transmission to tackle, exhaust, and etc. So I'll see you there. Okay, I've gone through and done all the work, so I'll go back and just show you now. Underneath the 4 bolts or 4 nuts for the shaft at the back, taking them off. The exhaust, I got under and just there's no flanges to unbolt, so I had to just cut them off with the reciprocal saw. What else? The engine bolts, both engine bolts, they come out quite easy actually. Radiator hose, I think off film we took the water out, drained the radiator. Oh no, we've already done it, you can see on the floor there. The other side, the other engine bolt taken out. Yeah, that's the hose there. Underneath the gearbox, automatic linkage, taking that off. So next time, yeah, the wiring left to do, radiator support, that'll all come off. The engine's originally from a HZ Holden 68 for those here in Australia that know about those. But yeah, all going well. The next week will be out.
Nice.